This 15-minute Tai Chi walking workout helps you burn belly fat, boost blood circulation, and improve balance. Gentle, low impact, and easy to follow. Just smooth walking movements that leave you feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized. Leaving you feeling lighter, healthier, and more energized. Exercise 1. Three, two, one, start. Raise one knee as your elbows float to shoulder height. Stay balanced through the standing leg and move with calm, steady control. Exercise 2. Three, two, one, begin. Sweep your arms upward in a smooth arc as you rise onto one leg. Keep your shoulders relaxed and move with quiet confidence. Next exercise. Three, two, one, let's begin. Lift your hands from the waist toward your chest as you rise from the squat. Keep your spine tall and let the movement feel light and effortless. Exercise 4. Three, two, one, join me. Step lightly as your arms sweep upward in a graceful arc. Stay balanced through the movement and let the motion feel smooth and free. Exercise 5. Three, two, one. Follow along. Open your arms wide, then sink gently into a strong horse stance. Stay grounded through your feet and move with calm control. Exercise 6. Three, two, one. Move with me. Uncross your arms and sweep them upward in one continuous motion. Breathe naturally and let your whole body feel open and light. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Guide your arms through a smooth circular path and return them softly to the center. Keep the motion relaxed and move with steady control. Exercise 8. Three, two, one. Let's begin. Step forward with ease as one palm rises toward the sky. Let your gaze follow the hand and keep the movement calm and flowing. Exercise 9. Three, two, one. Join me. Extend your arms as you turn, then lift one knee with steady control. Stay balanced and let the movement flow from your center. Exercise 10. Three, two, one. Follow along. Sweep one arm upward on a diagonal while shifting your weight smoothly. Keep your shoulders relaxed and move with quiet confidence. Exercise 11. Three, two, one. Move with me. Rise smoothly from the low stance and open your arms wide to each side. Keep your chest lifted and breathe with a calm, natural rhythm. Next exercise. Three, two, one. Begin. Step forward smoothly as your hands rise into a gentle guard position. Keep the movement controlled and stay centered through every step. Great job completing today's Tai Chi walking practice. In just 15 minutes, you've supported healthy circulation, strengthened your body, and taken another step toward better health. Thank you for practicing with me. See you in the next session.